So this is our first art lab session. Welcome to anybody who's watching after the actual live session. And I'm going to hand over to you. We can get started with the artwork. But also, thank you all for joining us. This is so cool. I'm really excited.
All right, I'm so excited. All right, so for this project, we're going to do leaf rubbings. I tried to make an example, but I'm not sure how well it'll show up. The leaf kind of spilled onto it. All right, so you need a piece of paper, and then take one of the leaves you got. So I got this one. It's kind of like a fern. And you're going to put it underneath your paper. And then take a crayon. And you're gonna have to unwrap, this is the trickiest part, unwrap the paper off of it. It's so frustrating. Here we go. Oh, okay.
And Denise, I know you said that you wanted to maybe do some of your own work or just hang out and say hi. So we're happy to do either, and you can share with us whatever you make if you'd like, or you can just hang out with us, okay?
Okay. You working on that, Kate? It's so tricky, I know.
Emma, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Should the leaf be, what way should it be down? Should it be down? Does it matter which way you put it down?
I don't think it matters.
Okay.
Well, we'll find out. I think you should put it down whatever way it lays the flattest.
Denise, did you have a question?
Yeah, I was wondering when art lab opens.
What that we're still working on. So right now we're trying to do these sessions because they're fun for everyone to connect, but we want to make sure that everyone's safe. So
Just curiosity.
Yeah, I don't know the honest answer to that right now. It's something that we're working on, but we want to make sure that everyone's safe.
I love people's accents from England. It's so fun.
Thank you. I love people's accents from America because everyone's is different.
Yes.
All right.
Put your leaf under your paper and then get your crayon and take the paper off. You got that? All right, rip the paper off. See, look, rip the paper off your crayon.
This is my niece's crayon. I don't want to rip it off.
Okay, well, you could just use the top part then. That's fine. Kate, are you set? You got a thumbs up? Okay. All right, so then you put your crayon sort of flat like this, or Sarah, you could just use it like this, but you're gonna just go over your leaf. Rub kind of hard, like go kind of hard. All right, this is what mine looks like. If you can see it, it's kind of big. Ooh, Carmen, yours came out so good.
These look awesome. How's it going over there, Sarah? I see you chatting to yourself.
Going good. I had a hard time with it. I have watercolor paper I'm trying to use.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not going okay. It's not going good.
Do you have a flat surface to put it down on? Because I know you're outside.
Yeah, I do at my art table.
Okay, good.
I'll try that.
Sarah, do you have a marker?
I do have markers.
It's too bad I don't have very good erasers just in case I want to erase.
Sarah, something else you can is you can use a marker and you can color on your leaf like this, and then press your leaf down.
Okay, I'll
if
try
that
that.
works better for you.
That probably works better for me. I'll try that.
That sounds like a neat way of doing it too.
Oh,
You
different
can use different colors if you have different markers. I can't find any markers, but
All right, I'll try that.
ooh, Kate, that's looking good. These are fun too, because then you can use them for cards. You could mail them to someone.
I could try paint too.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'll try that.
Let's see if I can find a marker.
Nope, not working.
What's not working, Sarah?
The paint.
The
I'll try the paint.
Yeah.
I try the paint. I'll try to paint. It's not working.
Okay.
Hey Sarah, if you maybe if you have some tape and you tape the paper to the table, that way it doesn't move and you don't have to hold it.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll try that. I'll get some more. I'll try this later after the class too as well. Actually, I tried it. It works a little bit, but that's what happened. It's all right. It's a leaf. It could be a leaf.
I really like that actually. It's kind of abstract.
I
Yeah.
like it.
Kate, that looks awesome as well.
Good job, Kate.
You can also like draw around it. I drew some swirls. Doesn't all have to be a rubbing. I see Francine's really into this craft.
You can use multiple colors of crayons too if you have more than one.
Totally.
Well, I got it to work actually with paint.
Oh, look at that.
That's cool.
It's kind of like
That's
the printing, right? The printing that we did with the ink.
Yeah.
Let's see if that helps.
All different kinds of different leaves in my yard.
Has anyone ever tried this with bark or like on a tree? You have, Sarah? Did it work?
Yeah. It did work. I liked it.
It might be neat. Kate, maybe next time when you go out on your walk, maybe you could take some paper and some crayons with you and see what you can find, different textures. Get Francine to wait a little bit while you do it.
That's quite tricky because she does not want to stop.
Well, it's a walk. Walks are exciting.
Or flowers
Oh,
are
she's
cool.
got-
If you got some flowers.
I went for a walk on a wheel trail one time and I took paper with me and I tried rocks.
That's cool.
What kind of things came out when you rubbed on them?
Different designs and stuff.
That's cool. Carmen's, yours look really good. I think because you're using the darker color, right? Yeah. I love this.
Carmen, I did your idea. I did 2 colors. It's kind of cool. Are you gonna do another one, Denise? I mean, Sarah, you're doing that? That's cool. Are you knitting? Oh, cool.
I'm gonna do another one on different.
I'm gonna make a Afghan for my dad or a blanket, and
Wonderful.
it's gonna be camouflage.
I love
That's
My
that.
dad's gonna love it.
Is that knitting or crocheting?
It's crocheting.
I like to crochet too.
I
agree.
can't, my hands can't do the knitting, but I can do crocheting.
Yeah, I can't do it. Sarah likes to crochet as well.
Yeah, I knit too as well.
So we have this, we have this little joke. If people like to knit or crochet, we call them happy hookers.
That's what it is, right?
Yeah,
Kate, that looks awesome.
happy hookers.
Definitely.
Well, Kate.
Did you do that with pencil? What did you do that with? Oh, colored pencil.
iPad pencil.
Yeah, that looks really good. It's fun to try out the different things. I'd never thought, like Sarah said, of using paint or the markers like Emma said. I'd never thought to try that.
Paint works really well. I traced it. This trace mine on more paper.
That looks great, hon. Awesome.
Thank you. I love this class.
Awesome.
I love art lab. I miss it. I miss everybody.
We miss you guys too. But I'm glad I get to see your faces here. It's better than nothing.
Well, you and I chat a lot on Facebook, so
We do. That's true.
and I see Denise a lot too on Zoom with that.
Sarah, I accidentally muted you then. I'm sorry.
I see Denise a lot on that place.
You can't lip read?
No,
No, for Jane, not Sarah.
I can a little bit.
I can lip read a little bit.
Yes, I can.
Denise says there's a lot of Zach's place a lot.
I'm, what do you call it? I'm,
Goofy. You're goofy every day.
yeah, no, what is it called?
Fun.
I do shenanigans behind the background.
Yeah.
She does.
You're
She does.
fun.
It's like
Carmen, I love yours.
I
That
do
looks
this
really good.
sometimes with my smiley face, like that,
Mhm.
or I go like that.
She does.
That's good.
And I just cause shenanigans behind the scenes.
She does.
Maybe
It's fun.
make a funny face, or I keep on doing that, so someone has to turn the hand off.
Yeah, I can do that.
But guess what? I can unmute myself too.
Yeah, you can. It's true.
That's funny. I have to do really cool backgrounds I can do. I moved. I disappeared.
But since
That's
I
cool,
unmute
Sarah.
myself, you can't mute me after I mute myself. Unmute me after you unmute. I mute myself.
Mm-hmm. Sarah, we can barely see you now.
That's what I did yesterday.
Oh, I like to see your face.
This is what you can get for virtual backgrounds. I like virtual backgrounds. It's fun. It's fun when the sun's out. It's easier with the sun's shining in here. But this is my favorite place to hang out. This is my little.
So
art
where are you from? England or New England?
I am from the original England.
The original England.
Yes,
I'm being funny. I knew you were
I know.
from the
Hun.
original England.
So-
Was England made before New England?
It was. Well, I don't know, actually. I think the country existed, but maybe it was called something else. I don't know.
it's going by.
So what's the final decision? What works best? The markers, the crayons?
The markers and paint.
And Kate thinks the crayons, right?
Yeah.
The pencils?
It's a pencil.
Pencil. The pencil works best.
Okay.
Yeah.
This might be something good we can keep in mind for fall. It could be another project we could do and we can make a massive collage. That would be neat.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Right.
What days are art labs?
Big truck going by my house.
What days are art labs?
Wednesdays.
Oh,
So we normally
Wednesday.
do on Wednesdays, but we're going to be doing Wednesdays with the Zoom for the next few weeks at least, I think.
How many
Um,
weeks?
We might play around with the time a little bit and see, because for some people, morning is easier than the afternoon. And for other people, the afternoon is easier than the morning. So we'll ask lots of questions and we'll find out.
Denise and I have sax plays at like 1:15.
Yeah, we don't want to crash into the Zach's place because
Yeah.
so many people go to that and that's awesome. And we all need things to do, right? So
Do you want to join Zach's Play Zoom for
I
singing
think
with
I've been
Gary
to a
today?
couple already. Yeah, it's been
You
fun.
have?
Yeah.
Well, what do you do for the day after? What's your job like after you get off Zoom?
Well, I
Haven't
carry
yet.
on kind of organizing the programs and speaking to people because we have lots of programs. And then
Oh,
I have a 4-year-old little girl. So I spend a lot of time running around after her as
Yeah.
well.
yeah.
How's
You
Lily
have
doing?
only one child, right?
Yeah, just one. One's
Okay.
enough for me.
One's enough for you? You want me?
She's doing really well, Sarah. Thank you. She's good.
I love her. She's a
You,
sweet mom.
don't want me?
Denise, you and I are good friends, right? We hang out. This is
I'm
good.
a good person to live with.
You are a good person. I agree.
Denise wants to live with you. Denise
Okay,
wants to
how are
live
we getting on with the art? Let's get back to the art, guys.
Oh, let's go back to the art.
Nice, Kate.
And I figured that's easier to put tape on the back so it would stick. And not keep on sliding around.
All right, guys, just to let you know, we have about 5 minutes left, okay?
Shh. I'm in their house, so I gotta keep my voice down.
Good work, guys. I like it.
Those are nice.
Thank you. This is fun.
So our plan is to do different projects each week, and we're going to get a whole bunch of materials and we're going to organize them. And I wanted to ask the three of you are on, do you all want to have a delivery of the materials?
I can come up. I can come up to Lebanon and pick it up.
Well, it might be easier for us to deliver, to be honest, Sarah, because we're going to do a big chunk of deliveries all together. But
Okay,
and
'cause
I
then
live in Claremont.
Right in Lebanon anyway, so I have to go. I can get my. I have to go to Lebanon anyway. So.
okay, we'll talk about it. But yes, you'd like some materials.
Yes, please.
Awesome. Okay, and Denise,
live
we'll
in
find a way of getting them to you.
I would too, so.
Okay, great. We'll
In
find
my
a way
house.
to get them to you all, one way or another.
I can,
That's fine.
yeah, cool.
Awesome.
I live in Claremont.
Don't worry.
It's not too far away, but
Hey, you live close. You live near Newport.
yeah, I know. But they're not in Newport though. Unless you switched. No.
Don't worry, we'll get them out to Claremont. We're happy to get them to you because it means we get time to see you.
I live
Yeah.
in Springfield,
All right.
New
If
Hampshire.
someone's directing us in the art project, I love it. Otherwise, if we're in art lab and there's nobody directing us, I'm like, oh, I don't want to do it for some reason.
Well,
But I
we'll be
like it.
yeah, we'll be taking turns going through the different projects together. So there'll always be a staff member talking about what we're doing and how we're doing it.
You remember Lynn Venata?
Hmm?
Lynn
Who?
Venata?
Mm-mm.
Oh, she was the newest art lab coordinator, was doing the art lab
Oh.
at once.
Oh.
Who's doing the art lab now?
So we have a teacher called Lee who's really good, and she does lots of fun projects. And then we always have a staff member, either Carmen or Emma or myself is there as well.
Oh, cool. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll try it again.
Well,
You don't
guys,
have
it
to
looks
pay
like we're
for it,
getting
do
close
you?
to time to wrapping up. How was
You
this?
have to pay for it again? Oh, no.
Good. Thumbs up. Awesome.
I
I
have
don't want to go.
Wonderful.
When we're gonna do coffee
What
hour?
time is it?
We'll see about coffee hour and getting that organized
Okay.
because lots of
It's
people
only
want to
a
do that
half an
too.
hour. Why don't we make our projects an hour?
Well, have we got enough to do today?
No, probably not.
Okay, but you know what? I love that you'd like to spend longer doing these things so we
Yeah.
can look at building out some projects. But for our first time, I'm really glad you three were here
Oh,
and that
this
we had
is your
fun doing
first
it.
time?
Yeah, you're in our first art lab.
Oh, okay, cool.
Mhm. All right, guys, so we'll go
Okay.
ahead and call it a day. Did everybody
No.
enjoy the project?
The day
Denise,
isn't
don't
over
worry.
yet. The day isn't over yet.
Okay,
You
we'll
can
call
call
it
it
to
a
the end of
day.
art lab. How's that?
I liked it.
Good.
Okay.
I'm
I like
glad.
it too.
I know you, Kate, and your mom or so think I'm funny.
Yeah, you are.
Denise,
Thank
you
you.
are
Very funny.
funny. It's true.
You are funny.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting. Thank you so much for coming. Bye,
I'll
everyone.
see you all day long.
On Facebook.
Bye.